Tony is up next for us with a question. Hi there, Tony.
Hey, how y'all doing tonight?
Doing great. Glad you're calling.
How can we help you?
I got a question. I got hurt at work, and the first Monday when I got hurt, it just kind of hurt my knee, and I went about and finished my day's work, went home, got up the next morning and had a real bad knee, couldn't feel good, but I went ahead and worked. After I worked my morning shift, I went and told the bosses that I got hurt. One talking about it didn't sound like I got hurt on the job to her. And she called another one, and the other lady said he was on the job, coming in the office, coming up the steps, getting paperwork, returning paperwork. He was on the job. He got hurt. That's workers' comp.
Sure.
So they sent me to their doctors, and when I went in, the doctor could see that I was in pain, and, just checking and looking and feeling my knee, he told me, yeah, you tore something. So the office turned it into workers' comp, and then the workers' comp said it was an idiopathic injury, and it could happen anytime, anywhere.
You've done the boards more than me. So
all right, Tony.
I'll let you handle the workers' comp.
Tony,
one.
that is a classic workers' comp insurer response to a claim.
Yep.
Everybody in society has pre-existing conditions, and they're functioning. They're going to work, doing their full duty scope of work every day, day in and day out. And you can aggravate or exacerbate a pre-existing condition, and you need medical care to get better. You have a clear workers' compensation claim. I would totally ignore the use of the term idiopathic. When we take the doctor's depositions, we ask them and say, the people that come into your office, don't they come in because they have pain? And the answer is always yes. And they all have pre-existing conditions, but some traumatic event has occurred that necessitates the medical treatment to remove the pain. So you have a valid claim. Give us a call if you need help with it. We'll be happy to do it. Or go to a workers' comp attorney that you have confidence in and get help, because there's no question about that one.
And we, like you said, Vic, we hear that all the time, and it's really, you have to have an attorney in that situation, because you're going to have to put it in front of the board, and if you don't, they're going to get you on some technicalities of not filling the paperwork out right, and then you're going to have to try to be able to appeal it, and it just turns into a mess. So if they deny you to start and you have a legit claim, get a workers' compensation attorney, and he can absolutely help you.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Tony.